Hey guys, Mr. Plant Geek here. Now, have you ever considered colour therapy with plants? Kalanchoe are perfect for the job, and they're not just a houseplant. You can use them outdoors as well. They will actually flower for 100 days outdoors in window boxes or patio pots or even in beds and borders. You can also plant your Kalanchoe to suit your mood. Did you know that pink in particular is known to be nurturing and has a real feel-good factor? Orange is downright fun, light-hearted, bound to invigorate. Red indicates vibrant, energetic feelings. Now, purple blossom can make you feel quite restful and chilled out. But yellow is a welcoming and positive colour. And finally, white. This symbolises new beginnings, so would be perfect as a gift. So which colour do you feel like planting up today? Tell me in the comments. These are Kalanchoe for indoors and outdoors.